Hi, we're Reba and Klaus. We started this YouTube channel to get us off the couch, get outdoors, and get moving. So come along with us on a Sunday drive. So, welcome to my she shed. A couple of episodes ago, Klaus did a tour around our shop where he does oil changes and works on wood projects and stuff. So I thought I'd take my turn and show you around my she shed. So I will include some pictures of what it looked like before and during, and of course this is after. So the first major renovation we did was to add these two French doors where they were kind of like ugly barn doors, and it lets in so much light and I love it so much. Then for those hot summer days, we added an air conditioning unit. So a couple other things that I did was I bought this old cabinet at an antique store, and then I sanded it, refinished it myself, and gave it a paint job. And then I added them these cute little knobs that I got on Amazon to give it a little bit of sparkle and a little bit of shine. Then I've got my reading corner over here. Got my light and my chair and my cozy ottoman. And then here is kind of a cool piece to me. This used to be my mom's hope chest. It's cedar lined and it still smells so good. So what I did was I gave it a little bit of a makeover. I sanded it down and painted it. Sorry for the bad lighting. Added some touches like changed the handles, changed the knobs, and then added this cute kind of beachy looking cushion to add additional seating. And of course, one of my favorite stores is Hobby Lobby, so I found this picture there and added it. If you've noticed the walls, we added beadboard on the walls, and we added shiplap to the ceiling. And then my husband installed this super cute chandelier for me. I love it. Just gives it a little touch of that shabby chic look that I was going for. Then I have my bookcase over here. I am a super big fan of autobiographies. So these are a little bit of the autobiographies that I've read. And just some kind of beach grass and some picture. This is a picture that I took at Bolsa Chica Beach. A couple of things there. My husband installed this window for me. And then this is my desk area. My daughter bought me this awesome desk, so I was doing Zoom calls and Zoom meetings and stuff in my she shed during the quarantine. And then I recently had the flooring done. This is just sheet vinyl. Love, love, love the color and the wood-like grain to it. And then another one of my favorite stores is Ross, so I added this cute little rug here. And that's pretty much a tour of the she shed. Oh, I did forget that I found this cute window here. This is actually an old antique window. And then my husband cut the hole out of the shed and installed the window. And obviously we're still working on the molding around that window. It is not going to stay like that. It's not completely done. So this was just a short video today, just a tour of my she shed. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and make sure you like, subscribe, and ring the bell for us. We're just having fun doing this, and the YouTube channel's kind of making us venture out and do things that we normally wouldn't do. So thanks a lot. Bye.